Mathematics translates words to diagrams and symbols. English words. There are 4 children in a party. A set of 10 whole cakes are to be equally divided amongst them. How much cake does each child receive? So the task at hand is to divide a set of 10 whole cakes equally amongst 4 children. Okay, so we all know that mathematics translates words to diagrams and symbols. So the English word equally, there's a mathematical symbol for it. Here it is. The word divide, there is a mathematical symbol for it. The word 1, there is a mathematical symbol for it. The word 11, here is a mathematical symbol for it. The word 4, here's a mathematical symbol for it. Okay. Now, we can also use diagrams to translate words. So instead of writing the word cake, C-A-K-E, we can just draw a diagram, and this, when we see this diagram, we say cake. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a set of 10 cakes. And each rectangle here can be used to represent a child. So you have a group of 1, 2, 3, 4 children. So you want to equally divide a set of 10 cakes amongst a group of 4 children. So what you can do, you can go about it doing systematically. Take 1 cake and give it to a first child, another cake, and give it to the second child. And take another 1, give it to the third child, and another cake, and give it to the 4th child. So right away now, each of the 4 children has 1 cake, but there are 6 cakes left. So we can repeat that same process. Give this first child another cake, and likewise, the second child gets another cake. The third child can get another cake also, and the 4th child gets another cake. So as you can see now, each of the 4 children has 2 cakes. Now, there are only 2 cakes left. Okay, so we cannot repeat that same process because 2 children are going to be left without a cake. So we have to try to divide those 2 cakes amongst the 4 children. So what we can do, we can take 1 cake and cut it in half. Let's cut a cake in half. Okay. So this child has 2.5 cakes. Okay. And the other half of that cake, give it to that second child. So they both have 2.5 cakes. And then the last cake, we can repeat the same process. We can cut it in half. Give that third child half. And give the 4th child half. So voila, here we have it. Each child received 2.5 cakes. Okay, so we can conclude, therefore, each child received 2.5 cakes. The symbol for the word half is 1/2, 1 out of 2. As you can see, when we split the cake in half, is 1 out of the 2 pieces, 2 equal pieces. So the symbol for half is actually 1/2. Okay. So we can clearly say 1/4, that is 1/4, represent 1/4 of 10 is the same as 1/4 times 10, because the symbol for the word of, the mathematical symbol for the word of in fractions is times. 1/4 times 10 is equal to 1/2.5. Each child received 2 cakes and half of one.